a lot of options to explore datasets. You can simply explore the dashboard or BI report by navigating dataset section. When you click on Get Insights, by default all the reports and charts will be prepared and you can arrange it as per your needs. So here in my workspace section, you will get this datasets where you will have all the options like dashboards. So whichever dashboards you have created, that will be visible, as well as reports, workbooks, and this datasets. So here I have two datasets, report one, VBA underscore test underscore questions. So if you click on particular datasets like report one, here you have three dots. You need to click on that, and when you will click, then you will get these options: settings, rename, delete, analyze in Excel, view insights, security, manage permissions, download PVX file. So when you will click on view insights, then your report will be prepared by running algorithm behind this report. Some algorithm runs, and then it by default will be getting the insights. When you click on view insights option, then it will show you chart representations of your data. While publishing a report to Power BI services, you can find get quick insights. So you can see after clicking on get insights, we got this report one, and you can see position to be fulfilled by category. This is chart, average of size of opportunity by fulfilled as of date. Next, you have count of worksheet and number of engineer by requirement receipt, here by sales manager. Dashboard. Power BI allows you to create dashboard by just pinning the visualization from reports which are published using Power BI desktop. In Power BI, there is an option to pin in focus mode visual and could be found at top of the chart. So you can see here, and this is the pin and this is focus mode. When you click on pin, then pop-up window appears which allow you to select a respective dashboard to select where you want to pin the visual. So suppose if you have existing dashboard or you want to create new dashboard, so accordingly you can select these options, and here you have select existing dashboard. So existing dashboards you might be having many, you can select any of that relevant one. So would be good to have, or you can create new dashboard where you can put it, tag it. Actually these things you can tag it in your dashboard. After selecting dashboard and click on pin, it would be pinned to particular dashboard and can be viewed at my workspace dashboard section. So here you can see in dashboard section, if you click on dashboard, so we have created a dashboard cells, and you can see that now your visuals is pinned to the cells dashboard. So when you will click on these cells, those that dashboard would be which uh, you can see the dashboard, uh, sales dashboard, and that those visuals will be there. Sharing options. So you can even share it. After publishing BI report to Power BI service, it can be shared among other users in your organization. So after publishing the report, you can share it with your respective team members or in your organization, respective people, you can share the report. After clicking on share button, a pop-up window appears which allows you to share the dashboard other users in your organization. So you can see here you have share button as well as many others: add tiles, comments, usage metrics, view related, set as featured, favorite, subscribe, share, review. Most important thing is share here as well as tiles. So while you click on share, it will be you will get option to share with respective people. Sharing feature is available with Power BI Pro, which is also available with 60 days free trial version. So Power BI desktop version doesn't have that option, but if you want that option, then you can get it this Power BI Pro, which is available for free of cost for 60 days. Tiles. There is more option in dashboard in that focus mode and many other options are available. Focus mode is used for better viewing purpose when you have multiple data values in your visualizations. So basically if you click on focus mode, then it will enlarge the visual and again you can exit it. You will get the exit option as well. After clicking on focus mode, you can see it's enlarged and you have here exit and focus mode. There is option to add tiles and which allows to change tiles name, subtitle, creating custom link for dashboard, etc. Tile details. So you can add all these details, title, subtitle, content, and etc. You will get all other options as well. When you will drag this scroll bar, then you will get other options as well. And you can fill those options, apply it as per your needs. Data gateway. Data gateway allows you to keep your data fresh by connecting on-premises data sources without necessarily moving the data. It can be downloaded by click on top right corner of Power BI screen. You can see here. Here you have option data gateway. Even other options are also there. Paginated report builder, Power BI for mobile, analyze in Excel updates. So here you can click on data gateway and download it. After downloading and installation, there is two options: on-premises data gateway and personal gateway, Power BI only. So this option has only with Power BI only. After logging to data gateway service, it allows you to enable automatic updates by navigating to schedule, refresh and frequency of the schedule. So basically what it happens when you have a database, suppose Excel database, where you have some table and regularly it's getting updated. So if you connect that uh, database with Power BI, then by default you can schedule the timings when it will be getting updated. Your Power BI will be getting updated when, since your table database will be keep updating, and a particular time it will fetch the data from there and refresh your Power BI reports. So that's why you have all these options: schedule, refresh and frequency of the schedule, right? So that's it, all about dashboard options. Many more are there. You can, but these are very important things and helpful to create dashboards. Thank you.